Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make rice alcohol. We'll start by gathering all the necessary ingredients and equipment, ensuring you have everything ready for a smooth process. Then, we'll dive into the fermentation stage, where the magic truly begins, transforming simple rice into a potent brew. Finally, we'll discuss the distillation process, emphasizing safety and proper techniques to achieve a clear, enjoyable spirit. Get ready to learn a fascinating new skill. To begin, gather your core ingredients. You'll need about 5 pounds of white rice, with sticky rice being an excellent choice for its starch content. Next, secure a clean 5-gallon fermentation bucket, complete with an airlock to keep unwanted contaminants out. Don't forget your yeast. A good distiller's yeast will ensure efficient conversion. For the final step, a reliable heat source and a distillation still are absolutely necessary for safe and effective spirit production. Once your supplies are ready, it's time for fermentation. First, cook your 5 pounds of rice until it's soft, then let it cool completely to room temperature. This cooling step is vital before adding your yeast. Next, introduce your chosen yeast strain to the cooled rice, mixing it thoroughly to ensure even distribution. Seal the mixture in your 5-gallon fermentation bucket, securing the airlock. Keep the bucket in a stable environment, ideally between 70 and 80 degrees Fahrenheit, for about 2 to 3 weeks. Now for the exciting part, distillation. Carefully transfer your fermented rice wash into your still, ensuring it's properly sealed. Begin heating the still slowly and steadily, allowing the alcohol vapor to rise and condense. Remember to discard the first small amount, known as the foreshots, and the final portion, called the tails, as these contain undesirable compounds. Collect the clean middle portion, the hearts. Finally, dilute your finished rice alcohol with distilled water to achieve your preferred alcohol percentage, typically around 40%.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.